Are you ready to put your money to work and start building lasting wealth? Real estate investing remains one of the most powerful ways to do just that, and there has never been a better time to take action. You're invited to the Wealth Builders Real Estate Workshop April 10th through the 12th in Denver, Colorado, or online via live stream. At this dynamic event, our team of experts will walk you through what it takes to build a successful real estate portfolio in today's market. You'll gain fresh insights into current trends, learn how to navigate shifting economic conditions, and discover how to recognize opportunities where others only see uncertainty. Whether you're just getting started or already investing, our speakers will equip you with practical strategies to take your portfolio to the next level. From buy and holds and vacation rentals to fix and flips and more, you'll receive hands-on guidance. With speed coaching, interactive Q&As, and a special Young Investor Networking session, you'll walk away with meaningful connections and clear next steps. Most importantly, our heart is to help you use real estate as a tool to fund your God-given dreams so you can advance the kingdom of heaven and create generational wealth that blesses your family and community for years to come. Don't miss this opportunity to seize the season and accelerate your real estate journey. Secure your spot today by visiting wealthbuilders.org/events. We can't wait to see you there.